Fresh off failing to beat Newport County at the weekend, Mauricio Pochettino has taken steps to boost his squad options by agreeing a fee with PSG for Brazilian winger Lucas Moura. For the last few years, Spurs have been one of the best and most exciting teams in the Premier League. Players like Harry Kane, Dele Alli, Christian Eriksen, Son Heung-min and Eric Lamela have made them an attacking force to be reckoned with. Saturday's FA Cup draw to League Two Newport did prove that maybe they don't have enough creative cover in their side, and more speed on the wing has long been a problem for Pochettino's side. Will Moura be one of these footballing flops? They've been linked to Wilfried Zaha in quite a few recent transfer windows, but that doesn't seem to be going anywhere. According to Sky Sports, the North London club have agreed a deal with PSG for winger Lucas Moura, and it's a pretty cheap deal to be fair. It should be a good deal all round. Spurs will be spending a very reasonable amount of money on a player that will give them something different compared to the rest of the team. The player gets game time at a top English side ahead of the World Cup this summer, when he was struggling to get game time ahead of Neymar, Kylian Mbappe and Angel Di Maria at PSG. The Parisians earned some of the £75 million they reportedly need to make back before the end of June.